Hello students, welcome in our HTML class. So in last video I have told you the different tags of HTML. Today in this video we will cover practical of some following tags that are heading tag, paragraph tag and horizontal rule tag. Heading tag is used to emphasize the text or which you have written between hashtag. It means h is a heading tag is a container tag, and paragraph tag is used to emphasize a paragraph, and horizontal rule tag will draw a horizontal rule, means line, on your body of the web page. So let's start with the practical. As you all know, we have to write the code in Notepad for HTML. So first I am opening Notepad. How you will open? Just click on start button and type Notepad in a start button. Notepad, that is the correct spelling of Notepad. Just type it and here is Notepad. You can click on it. Okay. So Notepad is opening. So as you know, the syntax of HTML document is you have to write tags, and between tag you write your content. So here I have to use HTML tag. Once I am increasing the size by format, and I am increasing the size of font so that it's clear to you, visible to you. HTML tag, all the HTML document will be written between that. Head, that is the optional tag which is used to give title of your page with the help of title tag. Title. Remember, you have to write the correct spelling. And suppose I am telling you at this type heading tag. So I am writing the heading title I have given, and title is closed because title, head, HTML, that are container tag. And in my previous video I have told you the container tags have to be closed also. So my title is finished, so I have closed here. Body tag, here you can close the head tag also. Head tag is optional, sorry, it's body tag. Now in body tag I am using heading tag. Heading tag, you can see the effects of heading tag. First I am using h1. You can write h1, h2, h3 up to h6. These are heading tags which makes the words or the sentence bold letters, in bold letters. Okay, h1 I have written heading 1 and h1 close. After that h2, heading 2, h2 close. Like this you can write all the h6, and at last I have written h5 tag. H tag is also a container tag, so you have to write hashtag. H5 I am using here, h5 heading 5, and okay, h5 close. So these are defined using heading tag. 6 heading tags are there, h1 to h6. The size and importance of the heading decreases from h1 to h6. Look the effect. I have to save the file, so I have pressed Ctrl S, and at desktop I have to write the name of file. I have given the name heading, but remember I have to give extension .html, otherwise it will be notepad file. Okay, so I have to save it with .html. Now I want to open it, so just double click on it. Look the effect and the different style of heading, that is heading 1, heading 2, heading 5 up to heading 6. It's a different you can say size and importance of the headings. You can use different heading tags. Now I will make some changes in the same file of notepad, and now I am changing the title. Instead of heading I am writing here paragraph title, because I am telling you paragraph tag. That tag is used to define paragraph in HTML document. So I have made some changes in this document, like I have written p tag for paragraph tag. Okay, and I am writing here this is my learning practical. Here I have pressed after practical enter, but it is useless because enter will not consider in HTML. If you want to give break, you have to use br command, or if you want to change the paragraph, you have to use again p tag for it. So I have used here p tag. P tag is also a container tag. I like this page. Okay, and p tag close. Now I have made changes in the same file, so I have to save it with the help of control s. And now come back to the main page, and I have to reload it or refresh it by the help of pressing F5 key. Now look the effect. This is my learning practical, and after practical I have given enter, but it is useless here because enter is not considered as this. And to give other line or start other paragraph, I have used again paragraph tag. So I like this page comes in the next paragraph. So that is the use of paragraph tag. Now I am telling you HR tag. HR tag is used to draw a ruler, okay, horizontal ruler. So it's a empty tag, so no need to close it. After practical of computer p, I have used HR, so the as a output a horizontal row has been drawn. Okay, so that is the practical of your these three tags I have told today, that are heading tag, paragraph tag, and HR tag. So it's time to give you homework. You have to read the following tags which I have explained in this video and do practical on your computer if possible. And thanks for watching the video.